And I came back on the 5 again too.
With the 1 minute gap.
Mm-hmm.
Now both of them made lower low. We took the Newswick. Low. So let's see what she do. Does she want to shift to go get Newswick high?
Gotta wait for that on the 1 minute.
We got London low down there.
Yeah, but Newswick high has a 15-minute gap above it, and so it could go up there to go back lower, to go lower.
Yeah, man, get your ass out of here, man. I'm trying
Gotta take liquidity first, so.
Yeah. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and buy this up. So run your stop.
This nigga, man. Get him out of here, man.
Let me go ahead and buy it up. So run your stop.
We got news at 10, so we might finish out this.
We got news.
Damn, look at that shit.
We got news at 9:45 too.
I can't see my itch. That was a big candle right now.
Still holding that thing, boy? I'm coming to get you. Coming to get you. Drill, where you stop at?
66.
She almost there.
Hey, man, get out of my business, bro.
Damn, she about there, right? Trying to tell you, listen.
She might come get it.
What?
Let's get a cover.
Got him. You had him. Sorry, bud. Try again.
You need to buy a brother?
Nah, not yet.
Nigga talking like he can't buy up, man. Ain't got no money on the table. Yeah. A little bit that way over there for the go and it's my 9 o'clock trade.
I feel like right here, she's at a point where she could go either way. She could continue going up, or she shifted on the 1 minute, but ES is in a 5-minute gap, in a 5-minute bearish gap. So, and then we in a 1 minute bearish gap on NQ or MNQ. So it could go either way right here. That's why I ain't take it yet. Now I wish I took it. Damn, bitch. Patience. Patience. She about to shift on the 5 minutes. She closed above 980. The only scary part is there's a gap, 5 minute and a 15-minute gap above 996. Jeremiah wasn't so scary. He would have been in it.
That's what you say to make yourself feel better?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I can tell.
Yes. Yes. What more can I say?
ES took London low. Big S&T.
Man, I don't like how she playing right here. Jarrell,
It's more high shit. Know that. But now,
did you try to get it the up movement? There's a shift on the 5 minute for both ES and Q. Well, actually, ES haven't shifted yet. In like 1 minute, it'll shift.
That we shifted to the downside though first.
We did shift to the downside first, sir.
Yeah, 15-minute gap up here.
It could have just been an OTE.
But where we're rejected from, we're not coming out of where we is.
A
We did hit
15-minute gap.
15-minute auto block. I don't see that. I do see a gap.
Yeah. Well, I think it was a 15-minute gap there. Hold on, let me go look.
We do got London lows down there. You say ES took London lows?
Somebody said that.
yeah, that's what said.
No, I didn't take it. Oh, that's Asian. I did take London and take Asian. Left Asian. But ES got a 15-minute gap too.
I mean, we could have went into a 1 hour order block, 15-minute gap. I mean, went down there and hit something.
Oh, all we can do is see what it do when it hit this 15-minute gap. If it give us the 1 minute.
Do have a
Frame
bullish.
alignment, or it's gonna keep going. I was looking at short. It's got a 15-minute gap and a 5-minute gap.
I got out. I can't take this up and down right here. I know that my target though. Hold on.
It just started a 15-minute gap. Ooh.
Yeah, my target is 15-minute gap. My target is a 15-minute gap. But a 15-minute gap is going it's also Newswick high. So I do my Newswick off 15 minutes. So
Ain't in no trades. I'm just right now.
You just looking, get your head bust. Head buster. Shifted on the ES too. So what we gonna do? Oh, it's about to open in 5 minutes. All right. So at open, we could manipulate up into this gap here and then drop. Oh, gosh. Every time she goes up, she comes down violent. Don't try to jig this thing, Marley. I know how you be doing. I jigged it with 1 micro, nigga. Damn. There goes your down movement, Drew. He gave you 30 points right there.
Ain't nothing, man. They gonna want to trade this shit. Ain't nothing clear right now. And we got news that on 10 of me. Lakers, they done took them Lakers out, trash ass Lakers, man.
Oh, did we trade? We traded into the monthly gap, right?
Oh.
No, not yet. We got to pass 20.44 to trade into that monthly gap. was close. Damn, kind of want to jig this. Get bust up. Get your head bust. Eat. She made a bearish 1 minute, ran up into it, ran back out of it. Damn, Drill, this is probably a short right here.
Ain't touching it. Wait. I'm waiting. I'm gonna be patient. She look like she wanna go up. She's playing like she wanna go down. She might touch midnight and go up.
Right. She already touched midnight.
She just touched it. I mean, see it.
Look at that.
What I see it. Fucking around with that shot. It.
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. This is why you don't be holding on open. I expected her to manipulate the other way before coming down. Damn.
Oh man, come on, man.
I know, right?
Dang it, man. 15-minute gap.
She did all that bullshit.
15-minute gap. We still got news at 9:45 and 10. Don't forget that.
What she wanna do, cuz? No, what the fuck? Wow, I'm trying to set an order. This shit put me in a sell position. I made $100. Not close that bitch. Fucking stupid ass trader V, man. Trading view on me.
This always happens to you, man. What's up?
I don't know why I did that shit, man.
You gotta check your settings or something, right?
Now I was trying to set a position. I hit sell to confirm it. It put me in the sell instead of hitting my shit that I did. I thought it was about to close. It didn't even close yet. Minute and 30 seconds.
I said yesterday, boy, when we got news at 9:45, be careful, man. Be careful with the open. Worst days to play the open for me.
I think you feel we're not trading right now, man. I ain't gonna buy nothing or nothing.
What happened with your one trade? Win or lose?
Huh?
Say, what happened with your one trade? Did you win or lose?
That was Asian. We did an Asian together.
Okay. That's your one for the day. You right. Cool. You goose.
I'm like, wait, do you not remember we was in a trade together?
Said what?
I'm like, do you not remember we was in a trade together?
Oh yeah. I was just thinking last night. I thought he had one today. My bad, bro. Chill out.
I can just listen to y'all wins and feel like I won too.
I got a paper trade on the screen. I don't know if I might take it, might not. First 5-minute shift at the 9:30.
You know, this is bearish, bro.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm looking at. First 5-minute shift at the 9:30.
But now then you want to wait for the news because like what's his name saying? He sent that thing. I'm looking at it today. I'm gonna try and see if I can play it. That the first 15-minute candle. Like this first 15-minute candle finish, because again, we do got news. You know what I'm saying? So if we looking at the 15-minute chart, we need to close below these 2 green candles, and this 1 15-minute candle is still trading. So
You right. Yes, already running. I ain't taking it.
yeah, it's pushing back up.
Yeah. I ain't take. I probably wait the either 9:45 or 10.
Yeah, because again,
1 minute gap. Not yet.
No, not yet. And then you gotta think about it. You still ain't hit that monthly gap, bro. Like, I mean, not to say that it will.
Yeah.
But I just see the SMT in regards to the short. But you know, it still got to confirm bullish. You know what I'm saying? If it is to change direction. So on the 5-minute, you know how I was looking at it yesterday. It got to get above the down candle, bro. Like it has to. All that wick and shit don't mean nothing. So if the ES close above this 5-minute, like I'm gonna be like, I don't really know. Looking at an entry at 967. Get up there.
Ooh, that bit hitting. That bit hitting, huh?
It won't London lows.
I just play out. I'm gonna remember. And next time, nigga, I ain't gonna even forget 9:45. Nigga, taking my setup. First shift at the 9:30.
Should get that, like I said, watching both on 1 to 5. So
look it up, man. Yeah, I go again, doing like yesterday, taking sound trades instead of taking in the combine. Get my shit right. Get right, get right, get right. Look at this easy money, man. Easy 900. One contract.
And I wanted he came right at
Easy
my
money.
entry.
And you
Marco.
hesitated. You
Yeah,
hesitated.
I wanted a short too. I wanted to come up a little bit more. I'm looking at this 1 minute gap though. No, I went to this 1 minute club, candle close below 920.
Easy money,
It's
man.
too close to come all the way that far up.
Could have been done for the day, right though. Damn, dog. That's it. First one. First shift after 9:30. First shift after 8:30.
Mm-hmm.
Take them 2 trades and be done.
That's what I was looking at. Like I said, I see the SMT, but that's why I was bearish. You know, I see the SMT early in the morning like this on the 15 minute. You see that? Oh, that's the ES. And then, like I said, the NQ took the high, and then the ES didn't. Oh, you're short right here, real probably.
Came
back to that gap, please. Yeah, I'm in it. Mm-hmm. I'm about to get a quick little scalp. I'm about to just take the lows. I ain't gonna hold it. It's probably coming back to previous day high. Yeah, if I'm out, I quick 600 right quick.
Mm-hmm. Quick pass combine real quick. You know what I mean?
Hey, yo, let Project know I muted his ass because I didn't want him talking no more.
Yeah, you almost fucked it up.
You gotta block the noise, man.
You
muted that nigga, man. You jinxed my street. I muted him.
Nah, at the same time, man. You see what time it was? It was 8. It's 8:10, bro.
You would have got knocked out like 10 times.
I'm fucking with.
You know, you would have been knocked out 10 times anyhow.
Wait till 8, man. 8:30 would have gave you everything.
Yeah, I'm about to mute you again, Project.
9:30.
Might as well, bro. But some nigga been on some negative shit all week. This nigga ain't been congratulating nobody. Nigga just negative.
He reflecting,
man. Come on, man.
He been blowing accounts, so he wants us to be with him, man.
Yeah.
Negative Nancy.
This nigga must have blew all his PAs, boy, because this nigga been negative all week.
London low 7:30. That 8:30 play a monster, fool. I swear to God. Look to the left at 8:30.
Yeah, that was a good trade though. Jeremiah, that was a big stop though, but that was a good trade still.
40 points.
The big boy, yeah.
40 points.
Big stop with them big boys anyway. It wouldn't have been a big stop with micros.
And I put a 20-point stop on it with AQ when I took it in the little sim. I put a 20-point stop. Risk 400, make 900.
And you see how you could have waited for the 1 minute. You see how I did
if you miss it on
shift
the
1 minute.
Yeah.
And you could have put your I put my order right at that order block at 9:33 for a big entry.
Yeah. That's what I be saying. You gotta wait for it to align. Like, yeah, it did hit, you know, like previous day low and all that shit. But if the 1 minute ain't bullish yet, you can't be like, all right, I'm finna just buy this. Hell no, I ain't just you picking bottoms, son.
That's the problem.
I ain't got it like that.
Because the 1 minute and the 5 minute be aligning with each other. You just gotta
you gotta wait.
Yeah, you just gotta find a shift. So when a 5 minute shift, just go look for 1 minute entry. It's gonna have like an inverse.
Like you
it's gonna have something on order block. It's gonna have something to where you can get in on the 1 minute.
Yeah, you right as 962. You could have got in at 962. Once on the 1 minute, it closed below these candles. Yeah. 962. And that's the wick of this 5 minute candle. You would have been getting in at the wick of that candle, bro. If you look at it. Like I got a line now on the 1 minute and I'm looking at it on the 5. You would have been getting in on that wick, bro. Like,
yeah, you see, I was trying to get it at 174, but I had my stop way too tight. I had it
Yeah.
Cause I was only trying to risk. I was only trying to risk like $150 instead of just putting it at where it's supposed to go.
Yeah.
I'd have made more. But
no, but where it was, and then you should have waited to 8:30. Would have been nice. Cause I caught the short off the 1 minute gap, and then and my stop at 92. Cause like I said,
that's what my stop was supposed to be.
You caught the short in what?
But,
what you caught the short in, bro?
And
bro, don't be telling me to wait till news and you in the trade, bro. Don't shit no more, man. Hey, I said the trade, bro. You gonna make me hesitate, and you take the trade. Hey,
I seen it set up, bro.
Be on the shit by my damn self,
like,
bro.
man, I seen it set up, G.
I saw it set up too.
I'm like, man, fuck that.
Wait till the news.
And we got to ship. We got to ship on a 15-minute.
I'll be like, Jarrell, I'm mute everybody.
Okay, I guess we just got to wait till the news.
Shit. I'm make you wait and then you take the trade.
Man, D, I had saved. I only did it with two. You know, my 2 micros, so I was in and out. Mr. Robbery, folks.
What you thought I was gonna do?
Yeah, same shit, right? You right, G.
Watch Marlon, man. We all be doing that. Don't be like, we gonna
because out of sight. Hey,
don't press the button.
And I'll tell you, be like, man, I'm down. Man, motherfucker asked, man, hey man, what you doing that trade? Man, I just made 600, but you know what? I was down 3. And if I ain't tell you, I took that trade and was down 3. Jeez. But look, hey, real, this how we look. This how I'm looking at it. I'm gonna for what's going on the one. If this don't close above on the 5 minute, bro, it's still bearish. Even the ES.
Yeah.
You see the ES wicking the down closed candles, bro. If it does not close above them down closed candles, bro, you know what I'm saying? You gotta stay short. Cause it looked like the NQ was gonna trade into a 5 minute bearish gap. But like if it don't like, and this what we were looking at, you have to let the 5 minute candle close. You gotta let it finish, bro. Like right now, you can't take no trades. You gotta wait. Like you have to wait right now. Cause we was watching that shit yesterday, like, oh, like right now, okay, it's trading above. And then on the 1 minute, it is showing you some shit. But because this 5 minute candle, like all it did was wicked. You would be in a trade and that's retracing on you. Like, or it's just not time yet. Like, we was watching that shit, bro. Like, it has to close above on the 5 minute before you can become bullish. Plain blank, period. ICT saying buy side. So yeah, it's gonna push up. I take 932. And then like I said, we still got this 15 minute gap up here that it didn't trade into. Like I said, we got news.
I line at 5 minute closures and shit like that, man. That shit help. That shit have been my trading a lot.
Man, I promise, bro.
Because I was always on the 1 minute, just looking for a 1 minute gap and discount on premium. I wasn't worrying about no 5 minute close or nothing. And just playing
premium and discounts.
You call that shit risk management. Yeah, risk management. Just playing on my risk management. That shit wasn't it should way better. Cause I could still use that same strategy, but with the 5 minute closing.
So yeah, probably is gonna push up to the monthly gap, probably with the news.
I even got my range set. Hold on. Let me get my range. Yep. Go way back up. Feeling heads. Isn't it NFP though? That's about right.
Huh?
I say it's NFP week. That's about right.
No shift yet. 2 minutes. EF shifted on the 5. NQ lagging. So good. Good.
So, why? It's bad. I did that. I got deep feelings because man. And she took that 15-minute gap, started dropping. She just tipped it down. Got a 1-minute gap down here. Damn, bro. I don't want to see she bullish there. We took a liquidity. We took a liquidity on both sides. Just chop. Dang, the truck stopped moving or something? What the fuck going on? On my internet. No.
Still looking down.
That shit played out kind of perfect. You know, she went up into that 15-minute gap and sold off. She took the Newswick high. She took the open high, and then open candle high, and then just what dropped. I kind of want her to run this low one more time before she goes back up at 10 o'clock.
Oh man, 10 o'clock. It's gonna be right on time for the show.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I want her to run it one more time. You can run one more time for me. There we go.
Man. 9, 10.
Bam. See?
9, 10.
When you ask, she delivers.
She's gonna come back to 9,
All
10.
right. Now it's about to be 10 o'clock. Now we can look for the shift. And we also touching up previous day high. We just hit previous day high. We're bouncing off of that right now.
Damn.
And the 4-hour gap.
And the 4-hour gap. There we go. Now. Here
Man, I should have fucking held.
That's the 10 o'clock. That's the 10 o'clock, dude. You fucked.
Damn.
It is open.
I think that shit froze my computer for a second. Let me go ahead and close my shit before fucking shit fucks up.
We gonna keep them low.
The way she rejected looks like she might keep going lower, but it's 10 o'clock. So, and we went into a 4-hour gap. So you want to see a shift on the 15-minute.
5-minute volume imbalance. 9:43.
Mm-hmm.
You're probably gonna see a shift on the 1 minute before you see a shift on the 15-minute, but and that wick is like 40 points. These some weird times. The wick alone on that 1 minute candle is 45 points, just the top wick. That is insane. Hey, Jeremiah, had you just hit buy, she would have ran up there to your target and been done. I don't know where your target's at, but if your target's like 30, 40 points, you would have hit that shit quick.
Brody, who you talking to?
You.
A target of 30, 40 points. When have I ever? This year.
Well, what are your targets now? 50?
My stop is 40 points. My target be 100 points or better. 50 maybe. Yeah, 50 if that's where it's at.
Yeah, Roderick, he shut you
I
up,
know.
nigga.
What this boy be talking about, man? He be coming on here talking like you ain't here every day. Come on, man. Every day, dog. And why would I buy it up? Why would I buy it up?
We went to a bullish 4-hour gap.
And then what?
We're rejecting out of it right now. We just want to see. I want to see if she makes a shift.
Oh, bro.
We really got to get all the way up here before she shifts. Got to get up to like 88. Unless she makes another down candle and then make a gap. Took a lot of sell side liquidity already.
Marty, you took it off the one? Close below. What's that? 910? 909?
My bad. I'm on mute this whole time I was talking. I was saying I closed below on the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm. On the 1 and the 5. I don't like how she playing right here though. It's gonna be one of them days, man. Stay out the way. Morning session, and we had a long break. Yeah, we ain't even supposed to be trading right now. Might have to come back at lunch.
See, double bullet.
Mm-hmm. Large range day yesterday. Choppy morning session today.
But
Hey, God damn. Oh, Lord.
Go grind up, man.
Real, she'll never be wanting to come back for a nigga.
Jarrell already in.
I was gonna take her off the inversion, but I thought she was gonna come a little deeper. Going for 8 and 9. I mean, she going for the highest. 20-44.
Take us there then. Go on and take us there. Shit. Golly, I ain't even looking at ES, man. ES gone. Yeah, keep playing. ES and YM. YM finna take the high. Shit. And keep playing. YM. ES. And keep playing. Shift it on the 5. That's 30 points right there, bro. Long way from the target. 50 more for the target.
I missed my entry. Oh. Oh. You talking about a 5-minute candle?
5 minutes.
Yeah, that'll be a quick
that.
scalp, either to take the highs or to this 5-minute gap that it never traded into.
You know, I was looking at the one, and I was like, "Damn, we still ain't got a silver bullet yet." And then when I saw the silver bullet and the order blocks, I was like, "Shit, we probably won't even come back down there." Took it off the order block. 1 minute. Keep pushing. Can we do that? It is Thursday though. Keep pushing. ES done took the high. Waiting on YM and NQ. Push. Let's go. Push. Push. Push it. Push it. Push. Come on, what time is it? 10:30? Oh man, 20 seconds. Let's do it. 20 seconds. I might let one go. Push. No retrace. She finna dance. I ain't trying to dance. Yes, did 20 points off the 5 minute. Sure. NQ did 30. 20 points, 1,000 on ES.
Got a 5-minute bullish gap.
Yeah, I see it. I don't know if I want to take it because she been dancing.
15-minute gap right now.
The way she been playing. Could go. This could be time. You got a silver bullet.
Oh, man.
Why I'm trying to BPR, they got ES fighting. Hopefully NQ don't have to go down there. We got a breaker. 2 order blocks. Damn, McDonald missed. McDonald missed on Ernest and Eli Lilly. Eli Lilly fell. Took my money on one PA. I'm still in on Bullernut. All right, now NQ in the lead. ES and YM dug deep. NQ didn't. 2047 is the target. 2044 is a high. 2047 is a daily volume inbound.
It didn't come back to the 5-minute gap.
Yeah, I ain't wanted to
come back to the 5 and come back to the 1.
The NQ did.
Look at all the indices.
I mean, the ES went inside the 5-minute gap.
Look at YM dug deep. ES went in it, filled it. NQ didn't have to. Now NQ in the lead to try to get the high. Shit, it was in the lead. ES ain't playing. ES gone. Push, baby. Let's see what we got on the daily. What we got. Where your stretch targets at, Marlon? Up top.
You're just going to 45, the monthly gap, man.
What's that? We got a daily wick at.
Yeah, give a nigga a chance.
We got a daily wick at 2044.
I mean, I could have got in at that
That's a 4.
on that 5-minute closure, but
Yeah,
daily.
that's why that 15-minute closure. I went out at that 5 minute. Yeah, this 5 minute.
71, 971.
Yeah, 9:30.
Volume and band.
Mm-hmm.
They wanted to retrace. Oh,
We're at this 5 minute order block right now, though. Still bullish, though.
$15 15-minute shift. We have a direction. Finally.
mm.
Tap.
One minute gap.
I ain't even watching it, man. Just let them
There go your buy right there, the 1 minute gap.
Just let them do what she do, man. I
You know,
ain't trying to watch.
say it's gonna keep going higher, but
I ain't even trying to watch.
Stop, go below the candle that made the gap. It's not a bad stop.
Back in the green from them L's I took. Shit. It's a song, right?
push, you know.
Mm-hmm. That was the entry right there, 1 minute probably. Get those highs. Mm. Quick 30-something points off the 1 minute gap.
Yeah, man. I don't know what Brody be talking about. Talking about
Nigga change
25, 30 points. Ain't nobody
yeah.
going for no 25, 30 points, bro.
Yeah, I had switched. I was in the buy up.
We are 60 points right now, bro. What you talking about, bro? 60
At
points
5.5.
right
At 9.55, once it closed above, it's down close again.
I had to check, bro, to see if you remember who he talking to.
Mm.
I just don't know who you talking to, bro.
Mm.
Talk my shit, man. Talk my shit, man. Shit. Like you mean, bro.
Oh, you can't read that call.
Got a 40-point stop. Can't be going for 40 points. Well, we hit the target that we've been looking for all week. 2044. Finally. Weekly target hit. One more day in the week.
Get 60. What that monthly gap was? Shit, 52.
No, it's right there right now, 45. It's there now.
Yep, we there. That's the monthly gap. Making it ugly right here.
Get 60 and get combine complete, man. I'm supposed to be done already.
Oh yeah, ES got one higher though. ES monthly gap. It's a little bit higher. Or it could be an SMT. Yeah, I was strong bullish, but with that monthly gap, we just gonna have to wait and see. We gotta see what they're gonna do. Could be we can drop from here. Based on the monthly. I ain't gonna say drop, we can down show retrace though. It's May. It's day one. It's day one of the month. We above the open. All this could be a wick on the monthly. We still need a wick on the bottom half. All we did was went straight up. Good trading, fellas, man. That was a good one. Damn. Jarrell, what happened? Why you missed it? You just got back to the truck? Man, boy, I've been doing a whole lot of talking on mute. Boy, I've been doing a whole lot of talking on mute. Damn.
Ain't nobody saying shit back.
But
Yeah, I do that a lot, man.
catch a live. You want to hear what I said? Now, Jackson, I was saying good trade. Everybody, first off, good trade. We hit the target. Then I was asking Jarrell, why'd you miss the target? You had to walk away from the truck on the computer?
And I missed it because I just didn't press it.
All right.
You see, when it closed above, I was like, man, maybe it'll come back to midnight. I was looking for the perfect damn entry, but
Yeah.
I should have just pressed the damn button. That was on me.
Gotcha. Yeah, I was hesitating, but man, that's the thing about them micros, man. Shit, if I lose, it ain't gonna hurt too bad.
Hell no.
I had to take it off the 1 minute order block, and I already know, bro. They was waiting on the silver bullet down there at 919. When I seen the order blocks, we had 2 of them. I said, shit, they ain't going down there.
Hey, that's why I said I bought it. Like, cause I was trying to short it off the 15. Off the 5 and shit like that. Right. I did catch some of the short off this 1 minute. It closed below. I caught a little bit, went down. It started to retrace. I closed it. You know what I'm saying? I took like a $10, $12 loss. Like, I closed it. I'm like, nah, because it's so low on the 15 minute. I'm like, man, I don't really know, man. That shit a little tough. But once it did that right here, I got in at 955, 956, that area right there.
The 1 minute?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yeah, niggas alive?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's about where I got in. I got in somewhere up in here. Let me go back and see.
Yeah, I was playing
with
with the sim, and that thing was chopping me up, boy.
Damn,
I'll be up 1,000, 1,500, and that thing would come all the way back up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Marl, I got in at 959.
Mm-hmm.
Right here. When I seen we close above, we did this order block, then we closed above this one. I say, shit, I ain't going down there.
So I was in that short right there. You see that news wick, the 10 o'clock wick?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. He was going once it took it, I pressed short because it was in a fair value gap also. Yeah, right there. Press short and I took it. Man, I was down like 2K and I was trying to go for that low. Man, that thing came
all the way back.
Hey, Real, you still in the buy?
No, I got out at the high, man.
No, I'm talking about Real. I thought Real probably still holding.
You
ain't in right now?
Even. Nah, it stopped at break even.
Oh man, that shit finna keep going, boy. 5 minute gap. It's a 5 minute bearish gap. We did not close below these green candles on the 1 minute. That's the shit we was looking at yesterday. But like, you can buy right here and put your stop below, but it's guaranteed. As soon as it closes above these down candles on the 1 minute, then you know the buying should continue.
I had to, I'm coming from red to green, so I had to make sure I stay green. I covered right here. They took me out, turned around. Below these green candles. I was thinking I should have been below this gap, but I ain't want to risk all that.
Mm-hmm.
It have came down there. I went back to green. Back to red.
It's gonna keep pushing higher, bro.
Yeah, I think so too. But
it is 5 minute bearish gap. Bullish gap on the 5 minute. Just wicked it. And that's what I was saying. Like on the 1 minute, you can see we ain't closed below the same. We was talking about yesterday. You want to see it close below them green candles, bro.
You're right. That is the same thing I did yesterday.
Yeah, same. We was being early.
No, I'm talking about with my stop when I let it take me out.
Stop. Oh yeah, hell yeah.
I put it up under the 1 minute instead of waiting on the 5 minute to close. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And here they go.
Yeah, that's what I was telling Real. Get back in right now.
Still pushing.
I caught some of the short, then I caught some of the buy it up. So I put 420 in my PA.
Come on, Jeremiah. I thought you was green.
I got
on green now, bro.
It's a combine or a PA?
Everything.
Oh, you copy trade?
Well, shoot, I got top step on one computer and pulling nuts on the other. So yeah, I took it in. I had to press it on both of them. Two PAs and two combine. For 3 PAs and 2 combine on that bug. 2 micros on all of them. Yeah, that's a silver bullet right there. The way we moving, man. It's AMD accumulation, manipulate down, up. Till lunch, huh, bro?
Maybe. But at the end of the day, it still played out the same way you should have had it, bro. But got your vertical line at 8:30.
Mm-hmm.
You see what's to the left at 8:30, the monthly open and that 15-minute high. What was to the left? London lows, and then previous day high.
Shift it lower. They ain't never want to go down. As soon as we shift it up, it was out.
Mm-hmm.
What it is, 9:30. I missed this one. I took this one on Sim. Tried to catch this one.
Now this is a premium PD array, so we could get a retrace, but we needed to close below on the 1 minute. Like it got to be a step-by-step process. Like you can't just rush to get out this shit or rush and do with anything. It's step-by-step. Because on the 5 minute on the on the ES, all it did was wake back into a down close candle.
We at the top of a new week opening gap right now too. Mm-hmm. There's a lot going on in this area, right? Buy side, daily volume imbalance, and what? Mm-hmm. I still got on that election day level right here, 2,500.
See, we got weekly gaps at 21, at 21,349. So I mean, the way we looking at it, if you're looking on the weekly chart, you're looking on the weekly. I was gonna say if you're looking at the weekly, man, ain't shit telling, ain't nothing saying turn around just yet. Because we traded down into a down close candle on the weekly.
Daily too. We keep taking previous day high.
So I got a target at 2,000. What's 20? 536 75.
Yeah,
that's a swing high on the weekly. Then I'm gonna do 50% of that wick is gonna be basically 300 on the weekly. 50% of that wick that high I just called. So it's basically 300. Go to the daily with 300. That's this daily gap there now. What is it? What a block? What? Yeah, 300 basically almost closed.
Oh, I see 532 right here.
Hold on, I'm just looking at my chart. Where you at?
532.
Yeah, that swing high. Because look, we traded into that down candle right here on the weekly, but we passed that. I ain't
Right,
we traded into that, so now it more than likely is gonna get that swing high. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
But if it don't get that swing high, at least I did 50% of the wick because we are trading out of a monthly gap. So you know what I'm saying? I don't know.
For that to work, we don't need to sweep. We can come right here, sweep this body, turn around.
Yeah,
Gotta see
that could be it. But if it's gonna do that, I want to see it do it on the 5. I ain't even worried about no 1 minute.
We gotta wait.
Well, not even the 5. I mean, no, because look at the 15 minute. If it do turn around right here, it's coming back, somewhat to a 15-minute gap. So you got to see a shift though. But like you said, it could.
At the end of the week, we got to see where we at.
Exactly. How this candle closed the same way. Yep. Because if we would have said that last week, we'd have been all right. We would have been trying to buy it up anyway. Still, you know what I'm saying? You see how that candle closed? All right, next candle, I'm expecting it to maybe retrace here and turn around.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the same shit I'm doing. Time frame to time frame. Like we got 15-minute gaps down here.
Daily order block. Come take out this high. Next swing high. Right here.
Mm-hmm. But we got a daily gap right there too, though.
Yeah, we got a gap right here.
Exactly. So, and that's lining up with that wick. You know what I'm saying? On the weekly. You can see, on the 5 minute, if we don't close below no green candle on the 5, you got to stay looking up. Just got to wait for the bullet setup on the 1 minute. 15 seconds sometimes trick you. So that's why I said the 5 minute don't close below, wait on the 1 minute for that. What you looking for? Don't think that shit's gonna run. Man, that bitch ripping.
That's what it look like, man.
Mm-hmm.
The top of the volume is
all on the 5, bro. All 5 minutes. This 5 minute it came retrace right back into the down candle on the 5 minute, bro. Right into the open up. Took right off. Mm.
$3 minutes. We'll shift on the 1 hour. Stay above here. Stay above 16.
Mm. I'm done. On me a roll.
Keep pushing. I can tell you now. I got back in.
Man, I'm done. Shit,
1 minute gap, 1 minute order block.
Mm-hmm.
She gonna keep pushing. Let's see if she get to the top. 2016.
Yeah, she should.
And then I gotta mark off 50%. 50% is 2080. So I let one off here. See if we can get the 2 micros again.
On the 4 hours, a swing high at 199. So it should be good though.
199. You want me to stretch?
Yeah. I'm just saying. I'm just just throwing out swing highs on the 4 hour.
Hey, yeah,
So,
appreciate you. We almost at the 8.
Swing high on the 4 hour. You got this volume imbalance on the daily at 116.
Mm-hmm.
Like, see, since you in the trade now, that's when you can jump to that time frame. Like, shit, you already in now. Yeah. Or you got a time frame to see what it'll stop at, or what maybe could be reaching for. So, like I said, 116 is on the daily chart, bro. That's the value, the top of the volume imbalance. 199, I didn't know, but now I see that's the low of the daily wick. I mean, that's the low of the daily gap, which again was the 4 hour swing high. So if the 5 minute keeps showing you what it's showing you for, and all you can do is hold and deal with pullback shit. If you're gonna do that.
199.
Yeah. Go to the daily chart.
I'm on the daily, bro.
Yeah.
You must be looking at
that's 116. I'm sorry. That's 116.
All right.
That volume imbalance, 116. I'm looking at the wrong shit. Yeah, the top of that. Yeah. Ain't that 116? Something like that.
Ooh, stop me up. I ain't not paying attention and I turned around. Retrace.
On the 5 minute.
Mm-hmm. I gotta start that in profit though. I ain't tripping.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, it was a pullback. Straight it back into this 5 minute down close candle. See what it do from now.
Yeah, I had my stop at the lower quadrant, which I knew it probably would have came back, but I just ain't.
You protecting that capital, shit.
Exactly.
Okay.
I'm back green. I ain't going back red.
Yeah, well, I stopped, man. I'm like, nah, I'm
red,
cool,
man.
I done made my little, like I said.
Yeah. I was down there finna shut it down and come back to lunch. I was thinking we was just gonna be sloppy all day, all morning.
Look where it came back to that 5 minute candle, man. That shit bananas.
Ain't it crazy?
Hey, I'm trying to do, but like you said, practice, man. Practice makes perfect. Or practice makes confident, shit.
I still got my one eval that I'm gonna take it easy in, but there's no eval. Patience, discipline, textbook plays.
Mm-hmm.
Keep taking them.
Mm-hmm. And tomorrow, Friday.
When I said I was gonna take one off at 80, right after I said it, I was like, man, let me gonna take that off now. For real, I took that first one off there, and then I covered with the other one, just in case.
Like I said, I'm watching the 5 minute on both ESN and NQ. So as long as the ES don't close below this green candle on the 5 minute, I'm assuming it's gonna keep pushing higher.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Because that NQ is trading inside of a down close candle. 5.
Get rid of some of this shit. Tapped it perfect too. 2049 at the order block. Tapped it perfect. Tick for tick.
Then you look at the 1 minute and ask yourself, did it close below the green candles? Nope. On the 1 minute.
Yeah, I see it.
Closed above on the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm. It's a buy model, bro. It's a buy model. That's all we're doing. Come back to the order block. Continue. Come back to the order block. Back to the order block.
Okay, like immediate rebound.
Yeah, it's a buy model. Only thing about a buy model, bitch. You up here now. You gonna take it from up here? You still got an hour left till lunch, so.
You gotta see that. Like I say, you gotta just see that shift on the 5, folks. That shit gonna keep going higher, folks. That 1 minute to trick you. It's 5 minutes. Like we got S&T right now. Like
all time frames lined up. 1 hour, 15, 5, 1.
Right. This last 5 minute candle took the high. The ES didn't.
Right.
But it gotta close. Now you see shit like this, it gotta close below the green candles, because then that's how you know you can start catching some of your short. Like it do that type of shit. But that's why I was bearish this morning, because I seen the SMT. I'm like, it gotta retrace.
Yeah. I don't even want to talk about it.
Right. Somebody, yeah.
Oh, you want to talk about it?
It gave us some of it, but yeah.
Yeah, this morning was showing down until she flipped.
And shit, I mean, the news took us back higher though. You know what I'm saying? Like you said, if we know news didn't come after 10, you know what I'm saying? If you ain't turned the computer on at 8, to 9:30, you would have been waiting at 10 anyway. So
I tried to.
It's a little bit of everything. You said what happened?
I had parked at the 5 minute order block right here, because I knew I felt like, all right, 10 o'clock gonna take us down. Park right here. 10 o'clock went crazy, started doing all this, and Ninja Trader started acting up. My brackets had disappeared. The order disappeared, but the profit and loss was still moving. So I went over I went to the copy and hit flat and all. And then after realizing stop never got hit, Came down, tapped the target. Just had issues on the computer. But yeah, it was showing down. All morning.
The 7:30 play, folks.
Until
That's what I was looking at.
Until she flipped. Right here. Mm-hmm. Once they flip, man, shit down over.
Oh damn! Hold on. We'll go back to what screen that was.
Oh man, damn.
That's all three.
It's all three. Right?
That go to SMT. I need to have a screen with all three on that now. Yeah, you see the SMT at the lows? That's a lower low. That's a lower low. Now go back to the Dow Jones. Did not make a lower low. Mm-hmm. Gotta open me a screen with that on there. I got a screen with all three on there. I'm just be watching them at the lows and at the highs. So, make me one more.
Our bullet, bro. We're going up, bro.
Mm-hmm.
All of it.
Mm.
Trying to protect the money. Missed out on more money.
Yeah, I got a sim trade going. You could have got, like I said, on the 1 minute, closed above, came back perfectly to the 1 minute. If you would have got in that with 2 micros, your stop loss below.
You got in the 1 minute gap?
Yeah.
76.
72.
Yeah.
That order block. Like I said, it's sim. Like I said, I'm done. Stop loss was at 59, so it's with 2 contracts, it's like $50-something. It should have been below that green can. $33.
Boy, they pushing.
That's what I said when they came down and swept the lows to the left at 8:30. I gotta learn how to switch my motherfucking mind.
It be hard sometimes, bro.
It do. So like you said, I was trying to catch some water short. I'm thinking I'm gonna catch some water short. Come on, bro. Damn. When I'm looking at the gap up there, it left that shit right before buzz to get it.
Mm-hmm.
Right before, you know what I'm saying? Like, damn, I gotta work on that shit, man. Change my motherfucking body. Like, nigga, it took what I was looking for at the lows. I go ahead and get what it want at the highs. Like, man.
The way I had to look at it when I finally flipped and went up, I'm thinking about the 8:30 play.
You said what happened?
I said the way I had to look at it is like my 8:30 play, how I call it, the rules for it.
Mm-hmm.
We came down and took these lows and shifted on the one. Let's see, we shifted on the one here. And we left a gap. But with these order blocks,
like shift on the one where at the top, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
They shit with these order blocks, they probably won't come back to the gap. So we got in here. We were both thinking the same. But we couldn't look up until they shifted on the one. Damn, look at my target, 116. Hit the target without me.
Diamond balance.
Golly. I was just thinking to get back in. I wanted them to come back to 83 first. Come back to 83, I would have got in. Dang. Another day. You could tell that was the target because of how they snap back. That's everybody's target. The way they snatch back like that.
All right.
Shit. Million traders took profit right here. Shit. Still can't go short till they should.
This nigga ICT got in at 67, bro. Down this way, we'll nigga lower, being higher than when we got in.
Higher than us.
But look, now this is what I study, bro.
He got in that 1 minute gap right here.
Why he get in up there? Hold on, let me see, so I can look at your screen too.
It's an implied. It ain't good, but it's an implied gap right here where these wicks touch. That's 67 right there. That's where he got in. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
And it's 15-minute gap inversion. We inverted that 15-minute gap, came back to the top.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's all I'll be looking at. He got in at 67, 75.
That's how we say, bro. You know, sometimes you be thinking you late, but man, as long as you know where it's going.
And that's it, bro. That's it.
You know how to cover yourself. Know where to put the stop. Like, yeah, everybody would have wanted to get in right here, but this border block let you know we ain't going back down there.
My thing is putting on the day is just have it, you know, just the nice size stop. Yeah, we didn't lost PAs and combines in one day. I mean, you lost 2,500. I mean, you took trades trying to just trade at this high time frame. It is 1-2 micros, $300 stop. Guess what your profit can be? $600 to $800. All 2 to 1s. I'm risking 300. I should be trying to get 6.
Short change, I said. Everybody looking at 44. 116 was the target. Now we got this 2,200.
Yeah, it's all off the
daily gap.
Yeah, the daily gap.
What else we got?
The weekly.
We got another wick at 129 on the 1 hour. $2 hour.
I'm at the 4 hour, 199. Like I said, and that's the daily gap.
Where's price? Price right here. Yep. 2 hour gap at 221. Man, I gotta find an entry, man. We ain't turn around.
No, we ain't turning around.
We gotta get in. NFP week, man. Trade all day. One minute gap. Is that? Oh, okay. What my video doing? Okay, look, okay. Okay, we're looking good on the video. Microsoft, damn. I had Microsoft too. I let it go so I can grab more video. Microsoft was at 345 a month ago. Now this bitch at 433. From 970 to 1.
Or you could say ICT was buying that 5 minute order block. That's in that 67 area too.
Yeah. Yeah, it all lined up. That's our trade, man.
But like you said, you gotta wait for the fucking closures, bro. So because all that shit down there, that's an early entry and everything, but you get that shit on the 5, you know what I'm saying? You in the line with them.
I see a 5 minute breaker right there.
Right here. It's the breaker, Sean.
Hold on.
The green candles. What are you talking about? Shit.
Yeah, the green candles. That's a breaker because it took a look.
Mm-hmm.
Once we close above it, it's time.
Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, that's our setup, man. I don't know why
that's it.
Brody come in here every day like he don't know what we trade. We do the same thing we talk about this every day.
See if my fucking candles closed.
Clear as day. 5 minute chart. Sure. Take it. Mm-hmm. I'm thinking like, how could I have done better this morning? But it really ain't nothing to. Like that's just trading, bro. Because I did what I was supposed to do. We shifted here.
Yeah.
I tried to take it down. It didn't work. Okay, it don't work. We shift here. Take it up.
Nah, you want me to be honest?
Very simple.
I could be. Let me see what we was at. Let me see. Hold on.
This the one I wanted though. First shift after 9:30. That's what really got me upset. I'm supposed to be in this. First shift after 9:30. Take it to London low.
That's what I was looking for. You know what I'm saying? Like the 8:30 play was that 5-minute order block. You know what I'm saying? Them lows down there. That's what I was looking at.
Yeah, 8:30 they shifted right here. I missed that one. That's the one I came back to the computer late.
Mm-hmm.
I missed both. And I got up early, bro. I woke up 6 o'clock this morning. Still missed my 8:30 play.
Be like right now, you can't be bearish until they close below the green candles on the 5. Oh, it's just a retrace back into a 5-minute gap. 5-minute order block. Ain't no indice close below no 5-minute green candles. So you got to keep looking higher.
Five-minute gap and order block.
See, all you got to keep doing is that's what I'm gonna have all three on, because ain't nobody shifted. Ain't nobody give me a SMT yet. The YM taking highs. Mm-hmm.
We did take an important level though.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. I'm looking at this, watching the S, see if I can see a SMT on all of them at the same time. Hold on, my line. Somebody called.
We got a real small 15-minute gap.
You see that on the 1, right? I don't know if it's going. Called no green candle on the 5, so I wouldn't even care about that.
Order block.
1
minute order block right here.
Yeah, I see it.
I'm looking at this on.
So this could
5 minutes.
So go ahead. What you gonna say, bro?
5 minute OB right here, 73.
Right. Oh, I said all this on the one. Like you gotta kind of, deter from that shit. We closed below. Like I said, the YM's 5 minute candle took a high. This one didn't. I'm looking at all three of them on the other screen. So I kind of like this. I could, watch all three do something different. Nice short.
One minute gap inside the order block.
Remember the 5 minute candle needs to close below that.
Yep.
1 minute showing it to you though, for sure. But you see. Hmm. 20 points. Decent short from that 1 minute gap.
That's that that small 15-minute gap I was saying. Right there at 49.
Yeah, I see it with this 5 minute candle too.
15-minute gap with a 5 minute order block.
Yeah, close it above 85. Confirm it for you. That's the tough part, man. But that's also like 50% of the range. So if you pull your fear from low, from the 10 o'clock low to the high that we at right now, I'm looking at this 15-minute order block 722. Now, if we take this low and then close above this, then I consider something. But right now on the one, like you said, we got to close above a fucking 85 before you can look long. That's the part where to take that patience. You done trading?
Nah, I ain't done. Still got combine. Taking 5 minutes setup.
And see, it's in the middle now.
Right.
Before close above this damn candle. Then we close above one more damn candle. But like you said, we from the 5 minute until we close above 80, 85. But now, I wouldn't be trying to go long. I look like it's that short. Like,
yeah, based off the 5 minute, we just shifted.
mm-hmm.
It might not last long, but shit.
Nah, but like I said, we pull that feed. We could come back to this first 5 minute gap down here that we never traded into at 67. You pull that fib on the 5, and like I said, pull that fib on the 15-minute chart too. From the low to the high. So, like you said, it's a toss up right now.
Yeah, I know.
But like you said, from the 5 minute perspective and looking at the 1, it's somewhat bearish. But
just accumulating right here. Shit can go anyway. This 5 minute counter can go in any direction.
All right, so you get this one more closure, but looking at the 1, if we can close below these green candles right here at like 53, 50 right there on the 1, so we'll be looking lower because we still got to get above some down candles. Hey, matter of fact, you want to break it. Fuck that. You would rather take this low and then go above it. That'd be me. See, I would rather see it do that first.
Yeah. Take the low and then shift if you want to
go up. Hell yeah.
And then you won't have to look for 87. It'll be a shift at 69.
Right, exactly.
69 will be a closure, bro.
This is the part, but this is the part you got to deal with, looking for this closure below this green candle. You see what I'm saying? Like, because that was buying. But until we close, now when we close below that, oh yeah, we back in sync. You don't see, keep going. See, at wick, I don't be liking that. See on the 1, but I guess what's this? 3 minutes. Yeah,
ain't no telling. It's a toss up right now. They just swept that low right there.
Yeah, but it should be bearish though, because all of them, like we got the S&T at the highs. Like if you do R, but
we still can go up till lunch.
Yeah,
we still can go in one direction till 12. If they shift back up.
And you see how it's on the 1, like I don't see how this is, like you said, it's a toss, but we got this 5 minute candle. You got to just let this 5 minute candle finish. Oh, bang. Yeah, I know we can watch these 1 minute candles, but the 5 minute tell you shit too.
No 15 minute candle coming.
Yeah, after this 5 minute. So you really want this 5 minute to close below this green candle, bro. So then the next 15 minute candle probably just give you some wick into that green candle to keep going lower.
Right.
So 50% of the range.
Close below 52. Close below 52. That'll be There we go. There we go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Just come to 13. I'll be cool.
Doing the short?
Yes, sir.
Who you get in at?
Off the 5 minute at 70. 2070.
Yeah, I reverse it. You know, I'm simming though. I'm in at 78. Well, I will be able to show my screen, but I had short it.
Drop.
Trying to do that ICT shit.
Drop. What you trying to stay in?
Yeah, but I need to do it with a combine though, and I ain't got one. But like I said, if I share my screen, I'm in on sim. I saw it from 78.50. When it closed below the green candles right there on the that gap.
Come on. Come on. Come on, don't do that. Don't do that.
Yeah, it's gonna drop, bro.
Don't do that.
Just look at the 1 minute candles, G. That shit finna drop. You know where it got to close above. This the part right here. We know where it got to close above. Just gotta deal with what these candles doing, bro.
And I'm in a PA. This ain't no combine, boy. It's live.
Yeah, I hear shit. I definitely closed my PA 420. I'm cool.
Drop.
Hey.
Go and get it to me now.
Yeah.
Go and get
it
it to me
should,
now.
bro. What you got? 2 micros on? How much you got on there?
Boy, I put 5 on that thing, boy.
You got 5 on right now still?
Nah, I got 3. 2.
3.
Just knocked another one on. 2. I'm down to 2.
No, you should have.
Entry cover. Entry cover 2. Told you this new PA, man. I'm working with like 4-5 contracts, man. That's what I'm trying to do. Except for this morning, I was copying everything. So my slow and steady was the leader. Slow and steady.
You gonna do 15-minute candle right here.
Yeah, got 1 left.
Giving you some. Yeah, it just can't close above
1 contract left.
60. Nah, bro, you don't take. Well, go ahead. Hey. I'm gonna say, man, this a new 15-minute candle, man. You gotta deal with the new one for a little while. Oh, dude.
Hey, 1 left, bro. What you mean?
Say 1 left, bro. Daddy, huh? Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Definitely a turnaround, motherfucker be pissed.
What? And I ain't take off nothing.
Yeah.
Nah, shit. That's what we in micro for, man.
So yeah.
Who that? Somebody was talking.
This nigga scared.
Oh, Jane. Yeah, man. I be needing you, Jane, man. Don't be leaving.
Are you scared in micros, bro? I can understand big boys, but you can't be scared at micros.
I mean, when you got 5 on, that's half.
You had 2.
Yeah.
You just told me yesterday, I'll let you do it with 1. So
Yeah,
let the
right.
2 run. You got it locked
right.
in.
You're
let
right.
the 2 run, bro. But
I started with 5 though. Just don't let me take the trade with 1. That's that scary shit. I can't be doing that. We ain't taking no trade with 1, bro. We gotta have at least 2.
No, I tell you, the
2
man
is the
set
minimum.
to 2.
On all accounts, 2 is the minimum. No less than 2.
Cause you know this finna keep dropping. You know it. The price action, how you say you want to see it, got to take the low before it can go higher.
Is that James that keep popping in and out?
Talking trash. Pop in, talk trash, disappear again.
Yeah, I'm outside cutting the grass, bro. So that's why I popped in. Pop.
All right.
What y'all doing?
How many acres you got?
I only got a quarter. Right?
I know you got chicken and quail and pigs and shit. You have acres.
I only got quail. Yeah, I was gonna say you got pigs and shit too. Damn. That's one thing I'm
Right, got no pigs.
I like to get some. I don't think they'll allow me to get goats. I want some goats, so. Cleaning out my patio, cutting the grass.
You doing that payout stuff, man. That's what you do after you get a payout, man. Chill out.
Don't cut the grass.
Chill out, man.
I need that one with the air. Be one with the air. That's grass.
I'm gonna be on the computer.
Y'all telling me to go telling myself this morning. Go ask Apex about this.
Oh shit, my bad, bro. Snitch on yourself, man.
No, nah, let them niggas catch it. when I was on the nigga Timmy Rogers YouTube.
Oh yeah. I ain't looking.
I saw he was live. I don't know what he talking about. He was talking about his payout got denied by Apex because of that. He had a negative day that was more than 30% of his profit.
So they denied his payout?
Yeah, so he had to do another 8 days to show you can get your profit.
Dang.
And it was consistent, no negative 30% or nothing like that. And he got it. But he only could take out money based off what he did in the new 8 days, not in that previous 8. But then it becomes basically that previous day that got denied becomes available to count towards your next payout after you get the approval. So it's kind of like that shit just sitting there kind of until you get an approval.
Yeah, that's too much, man.
That's what I'm saying.
Dang.
That's why you gotta do. That's why you gotta do. Trade the micros. You'll never be. You'll never draw down 30% on one trade.
Or
it's too late for that.
I don't know if it's one trade or if it's one day. Like I don't know.
I think they say your trade can't be more than 30%. So if you draw down 800, that's you fucked up. If that's what I read.
I think it's a trade. Like you can't be risking a whole bunch on one trade. Like
that's what I'm saying.
Like if you risk like the example they gave, like 4.
No, if you draw down, I think they said if you draw down that much, like you can't do that. That's you know what I'm saying? Something like that you're saying. That's from what I read.
But draw down in one trade or the whole day?
I believe it's one trade. I believe it's just one trade.
Yeah, I think it's one trade.
Because you could blow your account in one day, or you could lose 1,000 in one day, multiple trades, and I'm sure that don't invalidate what you got going on.
Exactly.
But if you do it in one trade, that's bad risk management. Basically, what they're saying for that amount of money that you got in there, you shouldn't draw down that much.
Right, in one trade. It was like that guy in Top Step. He was like the leader. I guess the top trader in Top Step. That nigga traded with no stop loss. So his thing can go down 1,000, 2,000. He's like, I ain't putting no stop loss. So they're like, nah. I think that's what Apex is trying to do. That you can't be risking that much, hoping that's gonna turn around on you and stuff. So I think that's the reason why they do that. I'm pretty sure it's one trade. But then again, you shouldn't really be risking that. I like you when you stop.
Yeah. So my draft was all in like multiple trades, not just one. I didn't let one trade go negative, whatever 800. It's just it accumulated. We'll see. I'd be like James, if they approve, like look at my payout, yeah, boys, who next?
In a few days, I think I'm on like 8 days with Bullet Knox. So, but I'm probably gonna wait for the whole month. Just keep on a couple of dollars here, a couple of dollars there.
Oh hell no, I'll take my money.
But see, with Bullet Knox, you still gotta get past the 2,600 threshold, then do it again type shit.
Yeah, that's the same way, but not fully.
Right, not fully.
Yeah, you can take 500 out at 26.
For Bullet Knox, once you get 26, you can take out 1,000, right?
No, you got to get 36. You got to leave that cushion in there.
Right, that's what I'm saying.
You got to get 36?
Yeah.
Wow.
So I said, Bullet Knox long term, you got to trade their asses like.
I thought it was 26.
Chilling, folks.
Yeah, don't listen to Ralph. He told you wrong.
Didn't. All the way wrong. But we're coming all the way back to that fifth, man.
Yeah, I told you 50% of the range. Bro, go to the 15 minute. 50% of the range. And then you got that 5-minute gap down there that we never traded into. You got this 15-minute order block. Shit, the down close candle, we never traded into it. Yeah, SFT at the highs.
Gee, Willikers. Hey, I showed it from up here, man. 2069. Gee.
I'd say.
Jeez.
Play now, nigga. Don't play now, nigga. You didn't want to hold it. Gee, Willikers, nigga. You didn't want to hold it.
Golly. That's 69, bro. That's 100 points. That's 100. Damn it.
Yeah.
I think I got out about 50. I got out right here. 69 to.
You got out of both of them?
Yeah, I got out of everything, man.
Oh, bro, you said you got out of one, folks. You closed one.
I know, but I covered.
Bro, why would come on, G?
I covered, bro.
Look at the 1 minute though.
You gotta remind me again.
You said you closed one. I said
I did. I did. I had the last one running, but I had it covered. I had my. Yeah.
Come on, bro. Hell nah. You ain't G. Come on, man. Like you said, before you had cover, you was in profit. What you? All right, so you up $60. You mad it would have came back to $30, bro? Come on.
This thing is another Broderick 2.0, man.
Oh no. Oh no. No. Way past that.
Gee, you saying that.
I know Jeremiah again. This ain't Jeremiah I know.
Yeah, I know it.
Then looking at the 5 minute, like look at the candle.
It's a totally different person from the trade last night.
Dang, this is too many Jeremiah. So stop.
I could understand.
That's why I tell Jay, you don't need to be going nowhere, man. You better stay here, man. I need you, man. I need somebody to say, "Ho, we going here."
I thought you was the only one.
I thought you still had one left.
Yeah,
he came on when he like, oh, he's scared because you closed one of them. He just said it. He like, you had two. Hey, I'm thinking you still holding just that one, boy. And then like same thing. We know it got to come to 50%, bro. Pull the field on the 15. I just said.
I thought about that, and it ain't come to 50 yesterday.
Man, but look where we coming out of monthly gap. You know it. You said it.
I know.
You said it.
But hey, I know though. I took the trade. I just took it to the low hanging.
You took it to where you needed to. Low hanging, yeah.
I took it to the.
But it went to where
it
went to where we were going.
Mm-hmm.
That was a good trade though, shit. As long as you padding that PA for day for day.
Yeah, man, that's the new one too, shit. So I'm playing, but I ain't. I mean, I'm a little more aggressive, but I ain't finna go crazy. Just a little more aggressive.
Yeah, that's a good trade, and that's the way to get out too, though.
A little more aggressive than the one I've been trading. Because the one I've been trading, I've definitely been taking it easy. Baby steps. We trying to do a little bit bigger than baby steps on this one. That's dumb. You know the same thing yesterday, y'all. The 5-minute chart gave us the buy up. 5-minute chart gave you the sell.
It's all off the
Could
five.
have
Like
take them
just
2 trades and be done.
cheap 2 trades. 5 minutes
give me
will
the
take
buy.
you up. 5 minutes will bring you down.
Hey, but I took them today though, so I ain't shit. Let me get out this little funk. I took it today,
Yeah,
right here.
I bought it up. So
yeah, we took it today right here, and I took the short right here. Well, I did what I came to do. Shit. Damn James and his target. Damn James, I ain't worried about James, man. Shit, I did what I came to do. I took
Get
my
some
5-minute shift, man.
Get some money.
Exactly.
I see you tomorrow.
You could have held that last one.
Yeah, man. I could have held a little longer, man. We're gonna get there.
Gee, hey, now, like he said, well, it's different when that coin on there. Hold on now. This motherfucker can't pull back not an inch.
Hey, now if it had been a combine, now shit, you know.
See, that's what I said. Practice, folks. Practice.
If I would have switched to the combine that I'm trying to pass, $600 to pass it. Oh yeah, we'd have held it. They'd had to show me. I'm probably finna. It's lunch.
It's lunchtime now.
Yeah,
it's over with, man.
But after lunch, 1:30, 1 o'clock, 1:30, I'm coming back with the same thing. 5 minutes. I see a 5-minute shift a minute. Came back to the original 5-minute shift. And 50%. This could be the entry back up.
I need a damn candle on the 5 minutes to be like, all right, it's time. For I don't know. See, this be the tough part right here. Cause yeah, I see it shifting on the one. It's holding these 1 minute candles, but you got this 1 minute gap, so it still got to close above.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't be like that shit.
I feel. I'm looking at the order block, but shit, since out of gap, but 50%.
Yeah. Because on the 1 minute, you can't short this. You know what I'm saying? Like you gotta wait till even trying to say, all right, this really go short again because you gotta close below the green candle.
Check the 1 hour. We just came to order block. Check the order block. OB. All indices. It just came back to the OB.
Yeah.
And they can all go back and take the high again. Well, maybe not all, but one of them should attempt to.
$5 minutes gotta show it to. Yeah, a new 15-minute candle or something. But go like you say, you on the 1 hour, right? Or your fib on the 1 hour.
From yesterday?
Shit, from yesterday low. Like, yeah, we trading up here, but we could come 50% of the yesterday. That's whole range. But, you know, who knows? Because like you say, we trading inside of a monthly gap.
NLP tomorrow.
You know what I'm saying? We trading inside of a monthly gap, bro. The YM just hit its weekly gap. the reason why I feel like it's still been pushing.
Accumulation, manipulate down, stand up. AMD.
Yeah, accumulate, manipulate up, and distribute down.
Nah, I'm looking at this. Accumulate here, manipulate down, distribute up.
But now it still got to pull back from that low.
Oh, you talking about right here? Accumulate here. Shit, we still went down, up.
I'm down to 50%, then go back higher. But like you said, price action until. But like I said, I'm looking at this 5 minute, and the 5 minute got to give you a down candle in this area to go back higher. In my opinion, like I don't know, like you know what I'm saying? Like the same thing. All this selling, it got to give you, now giving you another bearish gap.
Before we go down there, we'll bounce. Well, could bounce off that 1 hour gap. Bro. Still looking up though. We still got one more day in this jam-packed week.
Tomorrow's CGIS, huh? Tomorrow's CGIS.
Oh yeah.
You might be dropping.
Oh, I said we could retrace 30%. Hit the monthly gap. You can retrace to the weekly range, 30%. Yeah, this bitch going low.
Jam-packed at 8:30 tomorrow.
It's a lot of news tomorrow. 8:30.
NLP, 3 red folders. It's all NLP though. Hourly earnings, non-farm payroll, unemployment rate. Yellow folder at 10 o'clock. Shift on the 1. With a gap. Why I ain't fooling with this lunch price action? This ain't it. One minute looking bullish, but we in a 5-minute gap, 2 5-minute gap. Can't trust it. I can see it's going back up. I can see it going down. Can't trust it. Shift low on the 1. Shift on the 5. 12 o'clock should give me 1 trade. Four minutes left. Digging. Yesterday, lunch gave us this. Okay. Sure. Ooh, if they'd have came back to that order block, bitches, I was gonna take that. See, we came down. Lunch gave us this. I was gonna short here, but we came back to this order block. Oh man, they say Trump talking. Trump talking, bro. It's 12:30. I'm finna get out of here. Look for a setup at 1:30.
Shoot a message if you jump back on.
All right, I got you.